Here's a pair of the Sony ULT WEAR headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone or a iPad. So first thing is, let me just make sure that these are off, okay? So you got one of the ear cups, the left side here. You have the power button and you have the NC noise cancellation button. All we're going to do is worry about the power button here, okay? So first thing is, let me make sure that these are turned off. Let me tap on that. Okay, looks like it's on here. Let me press and hold that power button for about 4 seconds or until it turns off. Okay, now it's currently off. Now let's turn it on. Let's press and hold for about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, or until the light turns on. Now let go. And what we want is put it in pairing mode, which would be, it would blink blue, 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 blue. You just see, I just saw a rapid, it looked like it blinked like blue like 7 times. That's because it's connected, I think, to my one of my Android phones or my TV right now. Okay, but what we want is a blue blinking light where it blinks blue, 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 which would indicate it's in pairing mode. So let's put this in a pairing mode, okay? Let's turn them off first. Press and hold power button for about 4 seconds. Okay. Now it's off. Now we're going to put it in a pairing mode. This time we're going to press and hold the power button until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, power button here, ready, set, go. Hold it, wait, wait, blue, 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 blue. There we go. Now it's blinking blue, blue. It's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and get the iPhone, go to settings, and then you want to go to your Bluetooth. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Of course, make sure it's turned on. And then what we want to do is scroll all the way down to the very bottom here under other devices, and it should show up down here. It's still in pairing mode. It should show up here somewhere. ULT WEAR is right there. Tap on that. Give it 1 second, and then we should be connected. ULT WEAR connected. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair or you have connecting problems, go ahead and factory reset these. How to do that? The link is in the description.